Today I'm going to show you how to tie a shoelace. So first, you cross these two laces and then put this one through that hole and then tie it.
Oh.
And then make these rabbit ears and then cross them with this one. You have to put it underneath like this and then pull. Okay? And now if you want to let go, you carefully pull either of these and then it's done. And then if you want to release it completely, pull these two and it's done.